welcome to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and if you'd seen my reel I did last week, you would have seen this video is coming. So the last week, when you see this, it was actually only yesterday for me, I went to Havens Hospice in Basildon to spend my charity shop gift card. So I was gifted this by the people at Charity Shop Gift Card, and they gifted me £20. Now I actually only spent 10. My mum actually got a top as well, but I spent £10. So I thought I'd show you what I got, and £10 in Havens Hospice still means you get a lot of stuff, because in this store everything's £2. This Havens Hospice is in Basildon and it's literally my favourite, and today or yesterday did not disappoint. I got such lovely pieces. I think this was one of my most successful hauls from there in a really long time. As you guys know, I'm trying to only buy things I really truly love, and these pieces I really do. I'm praying they all fit. I've only tried on one thing so far, so we're going to find out together in the try on clips. Without further ado, let's get into the haul. So the first thing I picked up is this River Island dress. So again, this is £2 from Havens Hospice. This is in a size 16. It's originally from River Island, and it's just this gorgeous kind of shift dress. So it is pretty high necked, but then has kind of no shape, if that makes sense. Just kind of goes down. I hope you guys understand what I mean by shift dress. I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. It's got a zip up the back, which is really pretty. I just think I love the colours on this. It's very vibrant. If you've seen my last video, or the video before last, of my best friend rates my spring summer outfits, you'll know that I really gravitate towards yellow. I find yellow florals really flattering on my skin tone with my hair, and I just absolutely love it. It makes me really happy, and I really do gravitate towards yellow. Also, as I said, that River Island dress I had in that haul, the yellow kind of shift dress as well, perfect if you're a bit sunburnt. It means nothing's clinging to you, and I hope the same is with this dress as well, because I'm hoping it just kind of drapes over, but looks really cute. So I'm really excited about this, and I can't wait to try this one on. So unfortunately I have another miss. I really thought off all of these items, 10 out of 10, love them. On, they are just not playing games. So these pockets, why are they there? One, they're quite low for a pocket. Two, they just give the weirdest shape, and you can't even like squish them down. It's just the way they are. I do like this and potentially could wear this as a top. I just don't think I should keep it just as a top. I might, because to be honest, it is a really gorgeous colour. I think with some denim jeans could look really cute. So I think I probably will keep this as a top, but just these pockets, I mean, they're not doing anything. I love the pattern. I love the colours. It's just this pocket detail just really widens out the hips, and I've got quite wide hips anyway, and this is just not flattering. It's just too low down as well. Yeah, I don't know why. I love pockets, don't get me wrong. I always rave when things have pockets, but this, no, I don't like these pockets at all. This is such a shame, because I really love this dress. I was hoping it would be like gorgeous kind of floaty summer dress, but no, these pockets are not the one. The next piece, again, was £2 from Havens Hospice. This is a 2XL, but it's unbranded. So obviously 2XL can literally mean anywhere from a 14 to an 18 to a 20 to 22. I don't even know, because it's really not very descriptive. But I thought this actually looked quite a nice fit. I reckon it will be a little bit oversized, which is nice with this style dress. So it's again a kind of this shift dress style, kind of buttoned all the way down. I just thought this is really pretty. I love the colour of this. I thought it's that nice kind of green where it's not too bright. It's still kind of neutral, if that makes sense. I thought this would be gorgeous. It could potentially be one I take to Barcelona with me, because I think the fact that it's got little sleeves could help in the fact that it's not going to be super hot, but also not super cold. It's a kind of a bit of a, not a linen, it's definitely not linen, but that sort of feel of the fabric. And yeah, I really love the colour on this. I'm really intrigued to see how this fits on me, because I kind of have no idea if it's going to be tight, if it's going to be baggy. It has got pockets, which is very exciting, because I love a pocket. And yeah, I thought this was really cute. It's one I'm not quite sure how it's going to look on, but I'm really excited to try it. It is a miss. It is quite... It looks like either it's been shrunk or their 2XL is literally a 12, because it's very tight around the chest and just doesn't give me that kind of oversized look I was imagining with this. I was imagining it being like a really shift dress, kind of a little bit more fitted at the top, then still go out quite a bit, and it's just a bit too snug everywhere. It's tight on my boobs, it's tight on my arms, and the length is really awkward. It's just below my knee, but where it's not super floaty, it just looks a bit strange. I'm not a fan of this one, so I will see if anyone likes this. I know a couple of my friends are slightly smaller. This would probably look gorgeous on them, and we'll probably give them that idea that I was hoping I would get with it. So this one's a no, but I love the idea of it in principle. I like the colour, I really like the details on the buttons, but just the something about the fit of this isn't right. And that is like the only downside That is the only downside with charity shopping, is a lot of them haven't reopened their changing rooms, and it means things like this can happen. It's fine, you can return them in most charity shops, just check before, and obviously just give it to friends and families, redonate it, sell it on Depop, do whatever you need to do. But yeah, this one is a miss, but I like it in principle, just the fit is all wrong. Next thing I picked up, I actually saw so many gorgeous like satin nighties when I went shopping that time. So again, this is £2 from Haven's Hospice. It's originally from Triumph, and I got it in a size 16, and it's just this gorgeous kind of chocolate brown satin nightie. I know people wear this out and it looks so gorgeous, but as you guys know, I'm not one for a short dress. Not quite sure how I feel about me wearing this out. Although to be honest, I've tried long satin dresses because I see them all the time on Pinterest. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. I think the long satin throws me off. It is something that I don't like about it on me. So maybe a shorter one might work, but I'm still not sure. I might try and layer this over a turtleneck and see if that works. Because I see people wearing them like that all the time with like a nice belt. I feel like it looks so cute. Anyway, not about that, but yes, I got this £2 Haven's Hospice. They had loads and loads of lovely like nighties, pajamas. Obviously some people aren't comfortable with doing that, like buying them secondhand, but I'm fine, chuck it in the wash. Absolutely gorgeous. So really love the colour on this one. We have a win. This haul needed a win, and don't worry, the last piece is a major win, so we know we win with that. This, I like it. I think it makes me look very curvy. It's not super baggy, which I do find with these. I tend to go over my size in these, if that makes sense. Like I'll try and get an 18 or a 20 in these, because I find they do always fit a bit snug. This being 16 does fit, kind of shows off my curves a little bit actually. I really like it. I love this colour. It's sort of like near a purpley chocolate brown rather than a reddy chocolate brown. I really like that. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I would not wear this out because my bum is nearly out, and that is inappropriate. But I really do like this, and I can't wait to wear this as nice silky pajamas, and I really like this. It's also very comfy, very cool, so in the hotter months this would be great. And yeah, I really like this, and I'm so glad we got one win in the haul. And in the same chocolate brown family, I also picked up these chocolate brown leather trousers. These are originally from a brand called Woodland, size 16. Again, I got it from £2 from Haven's Hospice. And I love the colour of these. I love the feel of these. They feel absolutely gorgeous. The inside's kind of like a normal kind of material, not like a, like sometimes on leather trousers they're like furry, if that makes sense, like fluffy, and I just get really sweaty in them. However, these ones aren't. I'm not quite sure how these are going to fit. I'm really hoping they're high-waisted, not quite sure if they're going to be, and they look tiny. So they are a size 16, so in theory they should fit. Haven's Hospice doesn't have a changing room, so I couldn't try them on, but I'm really hoping these fit. I think these look gorgeous with like cream bodysuit I don't own, but in my head that looks gorgeous. Like cream jumpers, I feel like would look really cute with this. I always think you could pair black with this and that would look really cute. So like a black bodysuit would look nice. I feel like these are the sort of thing you could dress up and dress down, maybe chuck on some heels and a nice lace bodysuit, and then you've got a dressy outfit, but equally you could chuck on a cream knit jumper and be ready to go for some more of a casual look. I really hope these fits, but you guys will find that out now. And yeah, I really love these, and if they don't fit, I'll probably just pop them on Depop or see if any of my friends want them, because I want someone to love these as much as I do, because they look gorgeous. I'm just praying that they fit. Yeah, these leather trousers, that's as high as they go up. So these aren't going up any further. I'm so annoyed about these. I really did think they looked small, and I should have trusted my instinct. Don't always trust the sizing in charity shops or just in anything really. Make sure you try it on if you can. Obviously I couldn't with these. I'm so sad. This is such a gorgeous colour. But no, they are not getting past my thighs and are actually already quite tight on my legs. Also, I think they'll be quite short. Even if I pull these up, these will still be quite short, I think, because they are, yeah, these are just obviously don't fit, so these are a no. This is so sad. This haul was so good in my brain, but in practicality, no. And the last thing I picked up was from Wallace originally, again at £2. This is in a size 18, and I saw this in the dress section and was like, that is absolutely gorgeous. So when I shop in charity shops, I know I've mentioned this loads and loads of times before, but if you're new and haven't kind of heard my charity shopping tips, I might do another video of doing my charity shop tips, because I feel like I've got so many more now, and just kind of refresh it for everybody. Let me know if you want to see that, and I'll record that. But I never just look in my clothing size. I'll look at kind of a range around it. Obviously there's no point me trying on something in a size 4, but if there's something in maybe a size 14, a size 18, when I normally wear a 16, I feel like you can get away with it. I feel like shopping in the charity shops, and if you're just someone who generally likes clothes and buys quite a bit of clothes, you'll know the sort of materials that potentially would shrink down to your size, grow to your size, depending on the material. And that's what I thought with this dress. So as I said, this is a size 18, and normally I wear a 16, but it is this kind of slinky material. It has got quite a bit of stretch to it. So I was thinking this is probably made a little bit smaller, and because the material's got the stretch, it would then stretch to an 18. So I thought this could work, and this is the only thing I've tried on, and it does work. It looks gorgeous. I do think there could have been room for it to be a 16. I think if it was a 16, it would have fit me perfectly. But I do think this fit, where it's the slightest bit not skin tight, it just means it's more flattering. It means if I'm a little bit bloated, it won't show. And I just absolutely love this. I haven't actually told you what it is. It's a black evening dress. It's full length. It has got somewhat of a slit where it kind of wraps a little bit at the bottom, but not a slit that necessarily your whole leg is out. It is long sleeve, and it's got this kind of ruched detail in at the side, which just gives a really kind of flattering distraction over the stomach if that's something you're insecure about. And oh my gosh, the fact that I got this for £2 is insane. And I feel like this is one of them things that people quite often say to me, like, I've got an occasion, I don't know what to wear, and I say go to the charity shops, and people honestly think it's just going to be kind of your everyday t-shirts, your everyday jeans, maybe some leggings, whatever. But you really can get lovely evening dresses. I've seen prom dresses, I've seen even wedding dresses in there. And this is one of them dresses, although I don't have an occasion for, it'll be a great one to keep in my wardrobe. It will grow and shrink with me, where it's that stretchy material. I just think this is one that's great to have in case you get invited to something that's a little bit more dressy. And if not, I'm just going to wear it on my birthday, wear it for an occasion. I'll just wear it around the house at this point, because it's so gorgeous, and I absolutely love this. So for £2 I picked up this dress. A lot of fails in this haul, but I feel like this makes it all okay. This is one of the most gorgeous dresses I've ever put on my body. I feel really confident in it. It was £2. It's just gorgeous. So let's go through a bit of the details. Obviously we've got the kind of ruching here, which I think really draws attention to the waist, which is lovely. We've got this nice big slit, but also if you wear it kind of twisted around, you can't really see it too much, which is great. I actually really like a slit. I think this is so flattering. I like how the sleeves aren't super skin tight. I don't feel claustrophobic in this at all, which I sometimes do with kind of tight, long clothing. I feel a bit restricted in this. I could dance the night away in this. I feel like it will make my bum look good. It's just so cute. I love this so much. Obviously I would wear kind of a more t-shirt bra rather than this frilly bra I've got underneath, which probably isn't the best thing, but it's also from Asda's if you're wondering. Yeah, I love this. This literally is testament to charity shopping can be very hit and miss. You've got to know what to look for. Even if you think you know what you're looking for, you can still have misses, but oh my gosh, you can have some great wins, and this is just it. I can imagine this on a fancy date night, as if I've got someone to take me on a fancy date night. If I did, I would wear this. A nice fancy occasion, pop some heels on, some gold sandals, some gold accessories, and oh my gosh, I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm really feeling myself in this dress, and I feel like this is one of them pieces that I know I'll feel really confident when I get to wear this out. So I'm so happy with this. This makes up for all of the things that didn't fit. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so gorgeous. That's everything I picked up with my charity shop gift card. As I said, I've still got £8 left on this, and now they are accepting them in Marie Curie. I think I'll probably pop down to my local Marie Curie and see if I can spend the rest in there, because I haven't been there in ages. And yeah, I love the charity shop gift card. I know I've spoken about it quite a few times on here, but it's such an amazing idea. It's a great gift idea if you've got someone who likes charity shopping, or if you like charity shopping and want to kind of share that passion with your friends and family, then definitely go check them out. I'll leave their socials and their website below. But again, thank you Charity Shop Gift Card for gifting me this gift card. How many times can I say gift card in one video? But I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment what your favourite item was down below, and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!